Hey guys, welcome Technical Beardo here. Welcome to the review video of iOS 16 Beta 1. So, if you ask me a question about how is iOS 16 on my iPhone 12, and my answer will be with the great features comes the great or multiple bugs. Yes guys, that's my response, because after installing iOS 16, I enjoyed the features as well as the bugs as well. So, in this video, we'll try to cover multiple bugs or the major bugs which I face on this iOS 16 in my iPhone 12. So let's start the video and check out our update about the bugs I am facing currently on my iPhone 12 with iOS 16. So let's start the video. Starting, we'll cover small bugs, then the major one. So initially, after installing iOS 16 Beta 1 on my iPhone 12, the first bug or a problem I can say I encounter, that is your app crashing or apps freezing on my iPhone 12. So apps like a YouTube or your app store suddenly was closing or crashing and I was on a home screen. That was the issue happening after installing iOS 16 Beta 1. And the app freezing, so like application like your Facebook, WhatsApp, okay, sometimes they're completely frozen. Okay, I was on a complete frozen screen, tap, okay, nothing was happening, just a frozen screen for a certain time, and suddenly it was crashing and I was on a home screen. So the first issue I encountered, that was your apps freezing and crashing on my iPhone. And the next one or the next issue I'm talking about is your screen going dark or turning off while I'm on a call. I know phone has a sensor, and automatically something comes close to the device, your screen will turn off or screen will go black automatically, because something might touch the screen and cut the call. That's why screen goes black or turning off while something close to the screen sensor. I know that, but even though you removed, okay, even though I remove my phone from my face, okay, keep it away, the screen keeps or still remains the dark. Even though I want to cut the call, that time also screen doesn't turn on. It's completely black and I can't do anything. Sometimes I need to press my power button multiple times. That time only the screen lights up, and that time only I can tap on the red button to cut the call. Otherwise, call keeps on continuing or call keeps on going. So by default, we know that whenever we remove a phone from our ear, that time the screen should light up and we can tap the red button to cut the call. But that is not happening here after installing iOS 16 on my iPhone. But we can't complain because it's a beta and we are enjoying features as well as the bugs. So forget this and talk about the next one. So let's go to the next bug or issue in iOS 16. That is, whenever I open any application, almost every time application open in a landscape mode. Okay, whether it is a WhatsApp or YouTube, any Facebook, anything, okay, almost every application opens in a landscape mode. It's not like I am tilting my device and then opening the application. No, I'm just holding my device straight. Even the slightest tilt will open your application in a landscape mode. That's the issue, because again I have to turn my phone up and down, okay, to get the application right on my screen. So that's the one. And now talking about the last one, the major one, that is your iPhone crashing. Yes, my iPhone is crashing after iOS 16 update. So basically, mostly, so whenever I'm changing wallpaper or creating a new wallpaper, that time after creating a wallpaper, while setting it, the screen completely goes black and I get a loading animation icon on that screen. So sometimes it happens during the changing wallpaper on my iPhone, and surprisingly today, okay, this happened or iPhone crashed during my active call. So I was on a call and suddenly my screen went black, okay, with a loading icon or loading animation on that, and suddenly it appears or phone got rebooted kind of after the black screen, and I'm on a home screen with a no network, nothing. It's like my phone got refreshed or rebooted again. And the proof that my iPhone crashed is this screenshot, where iPhone itself notified me that my device crashed, and you can report this issue to Apple support. Okay, that's the screenshot here, and you can see it yourself as well. So according to me, this will be a major bug in this iOS 16 in my iPhone 12. So that's it. Okay, these are the bugs I'm facing currently or I encountered currently after installing iOS 16 on my iPhone 12. So that's the update about iOS 16 bugs. Okay, I hope you like this video. I hope you got updated, and if you like this video, please give a like and please subscribe for more videos on iPhone tips and tricks and iPhone solutions and iPhone update. Until then, thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care.